How to level an LG refrigerator. Leveling your LG refrigerator is one of the most important steps needed to prevent or resolve a range of common refrigerator issues. It can help prevent noise and vibration, prevent frost buildup, ensure the doors close properly, and prevent cooling performance issues. Leveling the cabinet. With the doors open, set a carpenter's level on the top middle of the unit to check if it is properly leveled from side to side. If not, follow these steps. Remove the base grill if your refrigerator has one. Use a flathead screwdriver for the left and right screws. Your LG refrigerator has two front leveling legs, one on the left and one on the right. Adjust the legs to alter the tilt from side to side or front to back. Keep in mind the refrigerator should always tilt slightly towards the back so that the doors close easily. Turn the leveling leg toward the left to raise that side, or toward the right to lower it. It may take several turns. When you're finished, verify that the unit is level. If, after leveling your refrigerator cabinet, the refrigerator doors appear to be uneven when closed, you may need to align the doors themselves. Side-by-side refrigerator. On side-by-side refrigerators, the right refrigerator door has an adjustable nut located at the bottom door hinge. Use the provided wrench to turn the nut in the door hinge and adjust the height. First, loosen the keeper nut by turning it counterclockwise. This will allow you to make the changes to the adjustment nut. Turn the adjustment nut to the right to raise the door, or to the left to lower it. When finished adjusting, tighten the keeper nut so that the adjustment nut is securely in place. French door refrigerator. In French door refrigerators, the left refrigerator door has an adjustable nut located at the bottom door hinge. Use the provided wrench to turn the nut in the door hinge and adjust the height. Turn to the right to raise the door, turn to the left to lower it. Note that the right refrigerator door does not have an adjustable nut. Instead, it requires one or both provided snap rings to be added. Open the fridge door and have an assistant lift the door slightly. Use a pair of pliers to insert the snap ring on the middle hinge of the inner door section. Do not insert the snap ring on the hinge of the outer door section, as it will cause the outer and inner doors to be misaligned. If needed, insert the additional snap ring to align the right door. Lastly, open both doors again and make sure they close easily. If they don't, tilt your refrigerator slightly more towards the rear by turning both leveling legs to the right. You should turn both leveling legs by the same amount. Following these steps will ensure that your refrigerator cabinet is leveled, the doors are aligned, and your refrigerator is positioned properly for best performance. Learn more at lg.com.